BNTouch offers more than just an online repository for your mortgage database. Many tools and features allow you to act upon the information you have for each borrower, and each client record in your CRM can be connected to everything else, including other records. This means you can connect mortgage records to those of partners that you are working with, allowing you to seamlessly navigate between listing agents, appraisers, borrowers, and anyone else involved in the mortgage process. In the Mortgages tab, you can open a client's record by clicking their blue Name link. Any partners involved with that mortgage record can be connected to it in the Participants sub-tab. Here, a list of various types of partners will appear, and each role that has a matching and connected record in your CRM will display basic contact information for that partner. The available partner types listed here may differ in your account as determined by your administrator. If you are logged into an administrative account, you can use the Organize List link here to customize what options are available to your users. Partners can be added to a borrower's record from the participants list using the Select link to the right. When you click this link, you will be able to find the record to connect using the search bar. Once you find the right record, you can click the blue Name link to connect the records. Additionally, some LOS systems can list participating partners for a client's record as part of the syncing process. Alternatively, you can add a new partner record from this search screen using the Quick Add Record button. This way, you can enter some basic information for a new partner, click Add Record, and connect it to the mortgage record. This new partner will be added to your Partnerships tab, so you can always enter more information for them later. Each mortgage record can only have a single partner of each type connected to it as a participant. For types that have been connected to a record, you can open the matching partner record in your CRM by clicking the blue Name link. You can also draft a new email directly to the partner from here by clicking the @ symbol in the Email column. You can disconnect the partner from the mortgage record using the Remove link, or you can replace the connected participant with a different partner by clicking Select again. To the left of a partner's name and partner type, you will see an empty box or an arrow pointing to the left or right. This indicates the referral status for the connected partner. If you click this icon, it will rotate between the available options. Arrows pointing to the left mean that the indicated partner referred the client to you, while arrows pointed to the right mean that you referred the client to that partner. Changes made to all participating partnerships for the record can be saved using the Update button above the list. You can also send email messages to several participating partners at once using the checkboxes to the left of each participant and the Send Emails button. If you are an administrator for your account, you will notice that the 4 custom participant rows at the bottom of the list are open text fields. You can enter your own partner types here that are relevant to your business. These types will be used across all participant lists in your CRM, and you can save the customized settings here when you click the Update link above the list. Thank you for watching this training video. To learn more about the BNTouch CRM, please check out our YouTube channel.